همه جو موسم تعمیر ремонт.
Вот у нас этот памятник Uzbekistan. Это у нас вот основной вот так вход, это внутрь посмотрим по порядку, а то не слышно будет.
عاقبت همه زیر خاک. وقتش ده امیر علیمخان در اینجا فرمان میدادن. شما بینید.
Here you can see furniture from France, wool carpet, 350 kg long curtain. Chandelier from Poland, 500 kg of brass. And this is the bedroom of the king over there. Whatever you see inside is everything handmade, is done by this instrument, by this master with his students. It took 2 years to finish this room. Each niche is unique. And you see, they put mirror. On the top of mirrors they put plaster and they did carving by carving on plaster. All the mirror which you see it's brought from Italy. Why this room in white color? Because the people who will visit here, as you see it's like a conference hall, meeting room, they're going to sign the documents. The people who enter here for the first time, they will be amazed at the white color that they're going to sign all the documents. And you can see here lots of Chinese porcelain vases.
Sin queja. No lo veo tan evidente.
This is his office. This is chess room. So the king, most of his time he would spend here by playing chess. Here you can see the symbol of summer palace, moon and stars. So palace similar to moon and stars. So here you can see our Amir, he was fond of mirrors, that even on the ceiling, on the walls, inside the doors, everywhere you can see the mirror. This is his chess table, different types of wood, ivory, marbles we use to decorate this chess table, and this is the different springtime, different winter, like autumn. What you see it left from the autumn. So it was on the screws like panels, you can easily take them and replace with the others. Unfortunately, after the 1920 invasion, the other panels were destroyed and it was taken. From two sides you can see functioning heaters. This is heaters. It's a fireplace actually. The masters from Netherlands they were brought here, and on the same spot they make this fireplace which is still functional. And each fireplace design is unique, they don't repeat each other. On the wall you can see this is the portrait of father and son. On the left side this is the father of our last Emir Sayyid Ahad Khan and our last Emir Sayyid Alimkhan, who was ruling from 1911 to 1920. What happened with him? So in 1920, as you remember, I told you that the fortress was bombarded and he was able to escape by hidden ways. He put his family members in a safe place, then he went to Tajikistan. From Tajikistan he went to Afghanistan. Till the end of his life he died in Kabul in 1944. So he was 64 when he died. At the end of his life he became blind. On his grave in Kabul it was written like this: rather than being a king in foreign country, I would be poor and right every time, which means every time he was missing for Bukhoro, but he couldn't come because he would be killed. The Soviets they made a agreement with Afghanistan, they would not let him go out, and he asked to bring his family members. So his wives, children were sent here. Till the end of his life, he lived like a country. This is a special bridge which was toward this ice. They got lots of So right now we are inside the office also, but this is the office not for the king but for the servants. That's why you see decorations are very simple. Because why it's simple, why it's not like that? You know, in the office they do paperwork, they do bureaucracy, at the time they were working with silk paper. If you do one mistake in silk paper, you need to change all the paper. Silk paper is very expensive. That's why in order to be concentrated to work, they made simple decorations. For office, what you need? You need shelf, you need table, and you need this type of safe to keep valuable items. When this safe was opened without the key, it's going to be some kind of music and signalization. This mirror, it wasn't here, it was inside the harem, in the woman's part, where the concubines were living. Each time when king had new concubines, she was told, the more or reflections on yourself you see, the more the enemies are going to be. This is the mirror from Japan. Yeah, this is the 20th century. You see, even Amir had the one mirror from Venice, but they did the special mirror from the city Murano. Yes. Our Amir, he wanted to have only exclusive items which is done for him. So he didn't like the things which could afford everyone.
Yeah, of course. There was a king.
Yes.
They have to solve that king. What it means.
So do you have any idea what kind of history, for what purpose it was used? No, it's Tiro. It's a Tiro. So they can open all the windows, there will be circulation of air inside. They're gonna come, take tea, enjoy their time, spending it here. So inside this room you can see lots of Japanese, Chinese porcelain vases. How to distinguish Japanese from Chinese? Usually in Japanese you can see they use very. In Chinese you can see only the floral elements, but not the people. Japanese people, while illustrating people, they were writing their history, but in one way you cannot write all the history. That's why they were making several editions, and people who are buying them, they're gonna learn their history. Our Amir, he was one of this type of phrases in his collection. They say he had more than 500, starting from 14th century to 19th century. Unfortunately, most of them they are taken now in St. Petersburg in Heaven Kashmir. So only the one which you see in the museum, that's from 19th century. This is called Kokcha Mandate. This is cupboard, which is inserted inside the wall, and it's done from the wood. Only rich people of that time, they could afford themselves to make it from wood, because it was very expensive. The other people make it from plaster. It's not to save the space, and why it's like that? Whenever they have guests, when they come to see you,
То, что все видно, то, что он хотел все видеть, то, что делает, поэтому здесь такой построен.
Because at that time there was no TV, no phone, no Instagram, so they can sit and enjoy the collection.
Spricht so kein Englisch, aber wenn Sie
باقی حولگی امیر علیمخان.
But our Amir, every time he believed, hoped that one day Olga will come and she will be his first wife, that he made this building for him. He used 4 kg of gold just for decoration.
He waited, but he has three of them. Just in case. Sorry? No, he waited for Olga, but he has three ones, just in case.
Maybe.
But always she was invited to Bukhara like Nikolai II, but unfortunately none of them could come because of revolution in 1970 in Russia. All the Romanovs were killed except Olga. She survived. She married to the American guy. She moved to Canada, so ended her life. She lived back in Canada.
امیر علیم خان جای زیستش این موزه لباس های همون دوره می پوشیدگی دوره های امیر علیم خان این پوپشیاشونه همون دوره عجایبه هر یک عصر زمانه لباس خودشه داره اینه кафш амина намеган кафш вот это называется кафш
Just imagine, before, instead of golden color everywhere,
кафш رو ببین
you see it's gold, nothing. Not the parquet, not decoration, nothing left. Because it was used as a bar.
عجایبه
Here you can see the outfit
جای
of
پوپشی و
ladies like
مپشیدن
the weddings in the end of 19th century. This is like Atlas, Atlas, this is Hon Atlas, fully 100% silk. This is Paranji, Burqa. So ladies, doesn't matter when she is Jewish, if she is Muslim, all the ladies, when they were going up, they should wear like that. How old she? So if the colors of Paranji bright colors, she's young. If it goes like it starts going darker, like she's middle age, but it's gray, she is old. For example, her knees are tied to each other, she is married. If the knees are open, she is ready for the
این جای نماز شه
В основном вот так, например, вот такой вот платье, но таким халатом золотой шерстой, вот такой. Это все, другой. Все, что золотые там килограмм написано.
موزه امیر علیم خان
Now look at this room. This room. This room very restored. But imagine all the rooms were beautiful like that. Everything in gold.
موزه امیر علیمخان. این دوم امیر علیمخان.
They say the place from where they couldn't take the gold is the same of this place. So they will take it and will form it. That's why they keep it. Where's the pink one?
سلام علیکم و رحمت الله و برکاته. در بخورای شریف قرار داریم. اما اینجا زندانی امیر علیمخان می‌داریم. زندانش همون سالها چقدر زندانی ها عذاب و عقوبت میکشیدن در اینجا. نبینید زندان نبینید. نبینید اینجا نایستگی قرضدار خاناسی دالگوه کامیرا. نبینید نفرونه که قرضی دار بودن. نفرونه که قرض دار بودن در اینجا در زندان اذیت میکشن. اینش هم همون قرض دلار خونه است. نفر قرضی داره. زندانی امیر علیمخان. بوشون چه جای ما زندانه؟ خیره ده؟ وشه همه فقط؟ خیره ده او؟ комната стража. این دوبینکا بوده یا؟ دوبینکا؟ عذاب میداد یا نه؟ زندان امیر علیمخان در بخارای شریف. اینجا پاسبان میستاده. نه زندان بینید دهشت. زندان امیر علیم خان. هیچ باور نداشتم که در بخارای شریف اومده چنین جایها رو میبینم. اینو ببینید، در وقتش اینجا زندان بود، کسی گشته نمیتونست، حالی ما اینجا رو تماشا داریم. اینو ببینید، اینجا زندانی ها رو میگرداندن. خشتش از همون وقت، ببینید چه خشتش سخت است، تمام سخت است. می قصال گذاشته، میگی نو سختیانشه، نو آبود کردیان، میگی همین زندانه. زمینش هم خیلی سنگ و سختی ریزه. چرا بینی عجایب جای زندانه بینی نیست چی باشه. زندانم دیدیم، زندانم دیدیم، زندان دیدیم. انا بایم زندان باشه، انا بایم زندان می ها؟ اونا جا میگم انا زندان امیر علیم خانم دیدیم. چقدر مردم رو در اینجا عذاب میدادن در زندان. امروز جای تماشاگاهی دیگران شده است. شطوره دیده، شطوره 20,000 سوم ازبکی ده همین گیردی همین ارگ میگردونه. انا این قصر امیر علیم خان در بخارای شریف، رزیدنسیا امیر علیم خان. ماشینچو جایی که ماشین های کلون نمیرن، تاکسی ها نمیرن، میگردونن، پیاده نمیگردی. بهتری شرایط خوب از که آدم های پیاده گشتن نمیتونن. بعضی جاده تاکسی ها را اجازت نیست در اومدن، انا اینا را اجازت هست در اومدن. قصر امیر علیم خان ببینید. انا دوستان این قصر امیر علیم خان، وارد قصر شده ایستادیم در بخارای شریف. انا داخل قصر امیر علیم خان شدیم. این ببینید زمین همون سنگای غشته که موندگان هم خیلی استوده. نبینه این اینجا بینه عجایبات. این بالوش بینه قصر امیر علیم خان. مغازه حاضر مغازه نبی ستیلچه ها دست آوگیر عجایبات. ин сутуно аз чӯб чанд сол гузаштагӣ аҷоибу санган риштан ҳазорсолаҳо. این طرف نمیبینیم ها انا این طرف ببینیم چیه ای والله اینجاست چی ایناست چی باشه حیران شدم این میگم سنگ باشه چی باشه ای خیر سنگ یوسیو یا اون طرف ببینیم با گشته خیلی بینیم آواز از آن پیشین تست رفتن در کن انا آواز او طرف میریم بخارای شریف رفتم او نه طرف میریم جای شماله جای نماز археологический парк Чук-чубо. ҷойи корашам ҷойи зиндагӣ карданам будааст. Амир Олимхона. гӯшвораҳои қафасӣ мегуфтам. занҳои пошчӯҳо анам хеле мепӯшидам.
Just now it's like scenery. Okay. At that time,
Yes, at that time. Here.
it was here. Yes.
It's for women.
For women.
זה כמו שעכשיו מוסיפים צמות
For the
בשיער.
not like our back.
זה תוספים קישוט לשיער. כן, קישוט, כן. יש לחוט גם ולאתיופיות. כמו
Only young.
ин ами румоли сафеда румоли ғуҷум мегуфтанд солҳои қадим.
Youth kind of.
қимматтарин румол будан ми румоли сафед ғиҷим ба сари ина не
When they had a child, they will take only one or two. If two, means she is not. If there is one, or it means that she has a child. If there is a lot of like 40, she's younger or she's not very young. If there is a golden, some ornaments or some bills,
Bills.
means she's not. If there is just stones or something like that, she's not married.
ҷои маҷлисгоҳи Амир Олимхона анам баландида мешитаю. маҷлис мегзарондай бо сарбозо бо зердасто. беҳад калон қасри Амир Олимхон дар Бухорои шариф. Бинед. قصر علیمخان هم دیدیم همه جوشه کلان بیاد کلان هم بینوهای قدیمه اینقدر مستحکم دوستان محترم در بخارای شریف قرار داریم نمینا لایو هاوس میگن اینجا یکون زمینیت شهر قدیمه بخارای شریف بیگانی پوری آدم اینجا ما بیگانی بودیم خوراک خوردیم آدم بسیار که بجا جای بزرگ میرسه لابی هاوس انم جای میگم بعد شام اینجا جای شتن نیست Lobby house. سلام علیکم دوستان محترم در شهر بخارای شریف قرار داریم انا این هیکل خواجه نصرالدین با خرش دیدید این هیکل کردنی خواجه نصرالدین کفشای پوش بینه این مهنت بین همین طوری سر بین چخیل این اوی بغیش چیندگیان عجوی بود خدا رحمت کند شاه اسماعیل سامانی را خدای مهربان خدا رحمت کند این باغ اینجا کاشخان نیستده نه زندان میدید دهشت
Yengil mana o'g'illarni ko'ramiz. Oldingi eshigi mana shu, oldingi holati. Anjada engashtirib turib, engashtirib chiqadi. Ular boshqa bo'lgandan keyin bundan turma sifatida qo'yiladi. Balchilik qilib qo'yiladi. Yog'och kaltak. Kichkina qancha ayollar uchun ishlatilgan, o'rtanasi olib kattasi kelgan. 27 shunaqa qilib to'qsonda tiziladi. Bu endi kishini sherigi bilan sheriga qo'shib ketolmasligi uchun. O yo'qligi, ko'pincha qo'lga kishan o'rnaganki, endi kishan ishlashga qarab bermasligi uchun uchiga chiqarishlar ekan. Qarang, bo'yinda bor, oyog'ida bor, qo'lda yo'q.
Shuncha joy biz endi